Meaning of disk drive.
Disk drive.
Disk drive.
Disk drive.
Disk drive. A disk drive is a device used for storing and retrieving digital information on disks. It consists of one or more rotating disks, known as platters, which are coated with magnetic material. Data is written onto the disks using a read/write head, and can be accessed quickly by spinning the disks and positioning the head at the desired location. Disk drives are used in many types of electronic devices, including computers, gaming consoles, and portable media players, to provide fast and reliable storage for a wide range of data such as files, documents, photos, and music.